Hello guys, and welcome to class today. Now, today we're going to be talking about a more advanced market structure. Okay, in the previous class, I talked about the basics market structure, but today we're going to be talking about the more advanced market structure. And we're going to be looking at stuff like market structure shift, both the major market structure shift and the minor market structure shifts. We're going to be looking at stuff like the major structure and minor structure, and how you can actually navigate through them. Okay, so without no further ado, let's dive into what we have for the day. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, simply go down and hit the subscription button right now and turn on the bell so that you can get notified, all right, whenever I post valuable content like this. Now let's go into what we have for the day. Now, before I go on, I want to explain the concept of market structure shift. I want to explain what a market structure shift is, okay, just for the sake of revision and every other thing. Now, if we have an uptrend, okay, for example, we have an uptrend this way, all right. Now, in an uptrend, we only want to see that the previous highs are broken, all right. We do not want to see that the previous lows are being taken out. Now, if peradventure, all right, possibly price is able to push down and break below previous low. Now, at this point, this is a market structure shift, all right. And it might actually want to signify that we're going to have a change of trend, okay. Now, I explained something, all right, if not mistaken. I said also we have two kinds of market approaches. We have the aggressive approach and we have the conservative approach, all right. The aggressive approach basically is a kind of approach whereby you do not wait for you to have 100% confirmations before going into your chart, all right, or before going into your trade. Maybe when you have like 50% confirmation, you just go into your trade, all right. Now let me explain something, okay. In some cases, all right, you can get to find whereby price is going to do something like this, all right, whereby price is going to do something like this and then still end up buying, all right. Now in this case, we have, this is a liquidity grab actually, all right. Price basically can just decide to reach out for liquidity, take out this previous low, which you might think is a market structure shift, all right, but then price will just take out the low and then keep on going bullish, all right. So that is just to bring that to your notice. Now I want to explain something, all right. Now I talked about conservative and aggressive market execution styles, all right. Now, an aggressive trader will not wait for a 100% confirmation. Basically, if you have a market structure shift over here, all right, let's say you're able to have a market structure shift over here. Now, yes, quite all right, it is a market structure shift, but it is not 100% confirmed that price is going to go bearish after this market structure shift, all right. Like I explained previously, it could just be a liquidity grab and then price can still just keep on going bullish, all right. But then an aggressive trader or an aggressive entry, all right, is you taking short positions on the retracement of after the market structure shift, okay. But then a conservative approach is you waiting for confirmations, all right. Now, what is that confirmation? That confirmation is when you see a break of structure to the downside. At least now, this gives you some heads up that a downtrend has started, simply because you are now having break of structures to the downside, all right. But then an aggressive trader is actually going to hop in here, while a conservative trader is going to hop in on this retracement. Now, the difference is that this is more aggressive and more risky, and then this entry here is less aggressive and less risky, all right. So I've explained two things here. I've explained the concept of market structure shift, and I've also explained the two types of approaches we have when it comes to taking entries, all right. Now, if you can look on your screen, I have an illustration on the chart right now, all right. Now, this illustration is to explain to us the concept of minor market structure and then the major market structure, okay. One thing you must understand is that price is fractal. When we say price is fractal, what do we mean? Basically, what we're trying to say by price is fractal is that if you have price moving in this manner on the 4-hour time frame, all right, if you go down to the 15 minutes time frame, for instance, you're gonna see this same structure occurring on the 15 minutes time frame. What I mean is that you're gonna see this same structure occurring somewhere around here. It's still the same higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, all right, for instance. So basically, that's what I mean by price is fractal, okay. Now, following this illustration I just made, okay, we have a break of structure here, for instance, all right. Now, this break of structure that we have here is not exactly the same with the tiny break of structure we have here, all right. Now, basically, this break of structure we have here is a major break of structure, all right, but this break of structure which we have here is a minor break of structure. Woo. So let's go on, all right, to the explanation we have, all right. Now, this is an illustration that explains an uptrend that came to an end and then a downtrend started up. Okay, now if you look, we have a break of structure, but before the break of structure we had what? A market structure shift. Now this market structure shift is not a major market structure shift, all right, simply because it does not involve swing points. All right, now let's assume this whole big structure we have now is on the 4-hour time frame. All right, now whenever you go down to maybe your 15 minutes time frame, that is when you're going to begin to see this type of internal structures. All right, when you go down to your 15 minutes time frame is when you're going to be seeing this internal break of structure, internal market structure shifts and stuff like that. Now this market structure shift you are seeing here, okay, just like I've zoomed in now, all right, you will not really know that this bearish move, all right, if possibly I started the video from here, you literally think we are on a downtrend, all right, following this structure here. You literally think we're on a downtrend, but when I zoom in and show you the big picture, you will then understand that we are actually on an uptrend. All right, so what I'm trying to explain here to you is that this movement you can see right now, all right, that suggests to you that you're on a downtrend is a minor structure. But when you zoom in and look at the big picture, you will then identify the major structure. So now while you zoomed in, sorry for that, I think it's a network. Oh, it's a network, guys, it's a network. Right, I'm so sorry. I don't know what actually happened, but I had to make a new markup. All right, so like I was saying, okay, if possibly I should zoom this in, okay, you would now, let's assume this is like the 15 minutes time frame view. Okay, you will literally be seeing a downtrend. You actually think the market is on a downtrend, all right, because you're also having break of structures, you're also having market structure shift, but also the downside. Now this is more like the minor structure, okay. But when you go over, all right, to your H4, at that point now you can now view the major structure. That's when you can know which break of structure is a major break of structure and which one is a minor break of structure. All right, like in this case now you can see all this internal market structure shift, all right, are just minor market structure shifts, minor break of structure, minor break of structure, minor market structure shift, minor BOS, minor, all these are minor. But then at this point, okay, this is where we have a major BOS, simply because this higher high now has been broken. Now at this case, or at this break of structure, now this is a major break of structure. All right, now this is the minor market structure shift, this is a minor break of structure, minor break of structure, minor break of structure, minor MSS. But then at this point now we then have a major break of structure, all right, because this is a break of a swing point. All right, now if you look, where do we have a major break of structure, a major market structure shift, I mean, all right, we actually do have a major market structure shift at this point. This is simply, all right, simply because this swing low here has been broken. All right, this is a major swing low, this is a major swing low. Now this major swing low has been taken out, and then at this point we have a major market structure shift. Now you can anticipate major trend reversals when you're able to spot major market structure shifts. All right, you would most likely not see major trend reversals without major market structure shift. All right, like I remember when BTC fell down from I think 65k. If you check the H4 time frame, you're going to see a major market structure shift. It was so clear. All right, now for instance, now do not expect, all right, do not expect a minor market structure shift, okay, to engineer a massive move without giving higher time frame confirmation. All right, do not really expect that. If you want to see, it's more like you trying to say you want to power a skyscraper with a small generator. It's not possible. You need something mighty. You need something with very big capacity. All right, or it's more like telling a 10-year-old boy to lift a car. It's not possible. All right, if you want to lift a car, you need something with much power and much strength. All right, so if you want something to engineer a massive trend reversal, then you need a major market structure shift. All right, so this is it about minor and major structures. All right, so I'm not want to actually prolong this. Okay, I'm going to allow you to digest this in the next class. All right, we're going to be looking at live market structure examples on the chart. All right, so until I see you in my next video, happy learning, happy trading. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's King, and I'm signing out.